You talking to the cows, hon? Yeah, more our neighbors. Hey guys. Yeah, come over for supper later, okay? Yeah, cool.
These are some memories of when we first actually bought the house, and then we started some renovations on the kitchen and stuff. So we'll throw up some videos and some before and after photos. Follow along, and we'll show you progress of when we first started till when we sold the house. There were some mornings that were absolutely beautiful.
Got it. Get rid of it, love. Get rid of it, love. Nice one. Arms up in the air. Our home, unbelievable. Look at this. We got stuck last night coming into here. It's funny. It reminded me of home.
This is what it looked like when we bought it. Yellow trim, no grass, gravel, and then this is what it ended up looking like before we left. We couldn't figure out what to do with his hay shed and milking barn. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a video of just the garage. Robert was the envy of everyone in the neighborhood with this amazing garage, and I even got a craft shop too. The living room was one of the rooms that wasn't too bad. But we decided to rip the wallpaper down and rip out the carpets, and then we painted it a nice neutral wall color, but we accented on the fireplace with the dark green. I think the kitchen was the room that had the most change, and well, you'll see here. I like it a lot better now. It's nice and bright. Speaking of bright, this is what we had to work with in the front entry. I love it now though. It's nice and bright. The dining room was also pretty labor intensive. We ripped out the aga and put in a wood burning fireplace. It's so much better. The utility room was pretty basic. We really just stripped the vinyl off of the doors, painted them, and moved a few things around.
Green is my favorite color, but not this color green. Now this is what I like in a bathroom. Nice and quiet and calm and nice bathtub.
4 panels. That's what we did tonight. Doesn't look too bad. Keeps the privacy anyways. Alright. And then that is down there. Looking good now. And then a gate there, gate for cars. Wrought iron gate.
I might need to explain this. We had just built a raised bed, raised garden box, I guess you'd call it, in the garage, and we were moving it over to, we had this concrete slab on the other side of the property, so we were going to put it there. Great things, great minds, great plans, whatever you want to call it. That's not always does it come to work out. But as you'll see in the final pictures, we moved that to the front yard, and we had just some flowering bushes in it. Hydrangeas and such.
That ghost in front of the wheelbarrow was awesome.
Yeah. The ghost even. Rock. I think Dad will get a kick out of this. I should send it to him. There's nails under there.
Is this where you want the first one?
Yeah, don't we want to like...
What?
Whoa!
What? Like that?
That's all we have for now. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we will see you in the next video.
There won't be a video next week. We'll do some shorts because we'll be traveling and on our way back to Canada.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, as well as comment, and we'll see you next week, or rather the week after.